If you're looking for the best robot vacuums, you've come to the right place. I've done all the heavy lifting, comparing price, performance, and real-world use to bring you the top options this year. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. So let's get started. Number 5. EAX Deebot T30S. This little powerhouse is packed with features that make cleaning a breeze for around $999 now at Best Buy. First off, 11,000 Pascal suction power. That's strong enough to tackle dirt, pet hair, and crumbs on both hard floors and carpets. Whether it's a quick clean or a deep dive, this vacuum doesn't mess around. But wait, it's not just a vacuum. The True Edge adaptive mopping system makes sure edges and corners get the attention they deserve, even those tricky spots most vacuums miss. Got a mix of flooring? No problem. The T30S transitions effortlessly between surfaces for seamless cleaning. Here's something I love: zero-tangle technology. If you've ever dealt with hair clogging your vacuum, you'll know how game-changing this is. And the Omni Station, it's a lifesaver. It empties the dustbin, refills water, washes the mop with hot water, and even dries it. Honestly, it's like having a personal cleaning assistant. The T30S is also super smart. True Detect 3D and True Mapping tech help it navigate your home without bumping into furniture or getting stuck. Plus, voice control, an app, or even a quick foot tap let you manage it effortlessly. And with 180 minutes of battery life and faster charging, it's built for larger spaces. If I had to nitpick, it's not the best for super small crevices. But for most homes, the T30S delivers top-tier performance with minimal effort. Number 4. Yui Omni S1 Pro. If you're tired of juggling vacuuming and mopping, this robot might just be the solution you've been waiting for. It's not just advanced, it's really smart. First off, the floor washing system is next level. The mop cleans itself with specially treated water and scrubs at 170 rotations per minute. That's basically like having someone hand scrub your floors for you. Plus, it has separate tanks for clean and dirty water, so you're not just spreading the mess around. When it comes to vacuuming, 8,000 pascals of suction power ensures nothing is left behind. Pet hair, crumbs, dust, you name it. It's equally effective on carpets and hard floors, which makes it super versatile. And let's not forget the 10-in-1 cleaning station. This thing empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop, refills the water tank, and even adds detergent automatically. Oh, and it has a sleek touchscreen interface that's super intuitive to use. The Omni S1 Pro doesn't just clean well, it's smart too. 3D obstacle avoidance helps it navigate without bumping into furniture, and the square design is perfect for tackling corners where dirt likes to hide. Sure, it's a bit pricey for around $999 now at Best Buy, and you'll have some ongoing costs like replacing bags and detergent. But honestly, for a device that looks this stylish and does this much, I think it's worth every penny. Number 3. Narwhal Froz Ultra, a robot vacuum and mop combo that's perfect for anyone who wants spotless floors without lifting a finger. Whether you're a pet owner or just too busy to clean, this one's got you covered. So what makes it stand out? First off, dual RGB cameras and AI mapping. This thing doesn't just clean, it thinks. It knows the difference between dust and spills, automatically switching between vacuuming and mopping based on what it detects. Seriously, that's next level convenience. Now, my favorite feature has to be the advanced obstacle avoidance. It recognizes over 120 objects, 120 from furniture to pet messes. It navigates like a pro, grabbing dirt from tight spots without bumping into anything or getting stuck. Another highlight is the self-cleaning dock. This isn't just a charging station, it empties dirt, washes the mop heads with hot water, and holds up to 120 days worth of dust. Maintenance? Practically non-existent. And let's talk power. 12,000 pascals of suction ensures no pet hair or debris stands a chance, even in tight corners. Plus, the edge swing technology gets right up to the walls, while a special module even cleans baseboards. How cool is that? When it comes to price tag, it costs around $1,099 now at Best Buy US. I know it is a bit pricey, but if you're after powerful, hassle-free cleaning, the Narwhal Froz Ultra worth it. Number 2. Dream X40 Ultra, a premium robotic vacuum that's perfect for anyone juggling a busy household or dealing with pets that seem to shed endlessly. This one's a game changer for around $999 now at Amazon US. First off, the 12,000 Pascal suction power is no joke. Whether it's dust, crumbs, or stubborn pet hair, this vacuum picks it all up effortlessly. And the results? Floors so clean, you'll actually want to walk barefoot. What really impressed me is the side reach brush. It gets into those tricky spots, tight corners, furniture legs, places we often overlook. That attention to detail makes a huge difference in how thoroughly your home feels cleaned. Now, here's a feature I personally love: the removable and liftable mop. If you've got both carpets and hard floors, this thing's got your back. It lifts automatically when it detects carpet, keeping everything dry and clean. And setting up no-go zones in the app? Super convenient, especially for high traffic areas. Another standout is the self-maintenance system. The X40 Ultra empties itself, refills water, and even washes the mop with 158 degrees Fahrenheit hot water. Maintenance? Practically non-existent. Add in the 400 mAh battery that powers long cleaning sessions, and you've got a device that works harder than you do. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but with its smart features, raw power, and minimal upkeep, it's totally worth it. Number 1. Roborock Q Revo Curve, an all-in-one cleaning beast that blends power with convenience. If you're looking for something that does it all, this might just be your next best friend. First off, let's talk power. With 18,500 Pascal hyperforce suction, this thing is a dirt and pet hair magnet. Whether it's carpets, hardwood, or tiles, it leaves every surface looking pristine. Plus, the Duo Divide main brush and Flexi Arm side brush are a lifesaver. They don't tangle with pet fur or hair, which means less time cleaning the vacuum and more time enjoying a spotless home. Now, one feature that really caught my eye is the Adapt Lift chassis. It adjusts seamlessly between floor types, optimizing cleaning power as it goes. Whether it's lifting for carpets or staying flat on tiles, it knows exactly what to do. The Flexi Arm side brush is a genius addition. It extends to tackle dirt hiding along walls and corners. Those hard-to-reach spots are no match. And with its hands-free multifunctional dock, it empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop, and keeps itself ready for action without you lifting a finger. If I had to nitpick, it's definitely on the pricier side for around $1,299 now at Best Buy. But the Roborock Q Revo Curve doesn't just clean your home, it makes life easier. Highly recommended. And that wraps up our list of the best robot vacuums for this year. Each one brings something unique to the table, so it really comes down to what fits your needs best. What do you prioritize in a robot vacuum? Are you looking for powerful suction or a fully automated cleaning station? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.